What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Home Built. Thanks for joining us again. I'm not going to drag this intro out too long because as you can see it's finally stopped raining in Scotland, so I'm going to crack on, get this door swapped on the Mini. We'll try and get it machine polished as well and get this thing finished and up for sale. Roll the intro. So guys, that's the old door off, we're ready to fit the new one. I'm glad we decided to replace it because other than the rust at the bottom of the door, there's actually quite a few scratches and dinks that we didn't see when we went to buy it. It's starting to get like Goon Squadron here with all the animals.
Yeah. Right. Ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so it's the next day. Okay, I'll actually do it properly. Okay, so it's the next day. Yesterday it did start chucking it down pretty bad and it has literally only just stopped. As you can see, we had to do a quick little tape up job to try and keep the water out, and I think it did a pretty good job. It looks pretty dry in there, but because it started raining, we moved into the garage, started next week's video. We're not going to show you that quite yet because we want that to be a surprise. Do we?
Yeah. Well, basically we're going to show you how to turn we're going to show you how to turn £50 into £250.
Right. But basically for that video we're going to show you how to turn £50 into £200. But for the now we're going to finish fitting this door. That's probably all we're going to get done this week. Because it's pretty grey still, and it's probably going to chuck it down.
Yeah, we're probably not going to be able to detail it, are we?
No, so we'll get all the insides done, and we'll start by getting it unwrapped.
We'll do whatever we can until it starts raining again.
I just let all the water in.
Did you?
Yeah. See? What an idiot.
I don't think it'll be half as bad as it would have been if we'd left it open.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
Mate, do you want to be on TikTok?
No, not TikTok.
Ooh, you joke.
What we've done so far, yesterday we got the wiring loom threaded back through. So now we just need to put the handle back on, the window in, all the seals, and then the door card, and that should be the door. So not too much left to do.
This bit.
What?
The window regulator.
What's the window regulator?
Puts the window up and down, the motor and the gearing mechanism. It's a nightmare on this.
You don't need to do that.
Yeah, we do. It holds the window in.
Right, so what are you starting on, Dad?
Putting the locking mechanism in.
Where does that go? Explain to the viewers.
Is this a new thing?
Come on, explain.
So the locking mechanism's got to go back in. That obviously bolts onto here on the inside. We'll then put the handle back on where we've got plenty of space. Next step after that is putting the window regulator back in, because that takes up a lot of space in here. And then we can run the wiring loom, clip it all back in, put the glass in, put the door card back on, and that's about us.
Okay, so while Dad's going to put the door lock back in, I'm going to grab some tools and fit the wing mirror back on.
shutting the door?
What?
Why are you shutting the door?
What? Okay, so that's the door swapped and it looks so much better, and the colour match is perfect as well. But as you can probably see, that is the rain coming again, so we're going to have to call it there. Sorry it's a bit of a shorter episode, can't really control the weather, so just hit the subscribe button so we can buy a bigger garage. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one. Roll the outro.